Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best IAS coaching in your area, East Delhi? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end, as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best IAS preparations in your area, East Delhi. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus IAS Coaching. Let's talk about the features of this institution first. The number 1 being online classes. Number 2, recorded videos with high quality. Number 3, current affairs. Number 4, experienced faculty. Number 5, mock test. And finally, they provide you 24/7 doubt session. Now let us talk about the contact number, email ID and the website of this institution, and then we'll talk about this institute. The email ID includes info@plutusacademy.com and their mobile number includes 8123002802. The website of this institute being www.plutusacademy.com. Now let us talk about this institution. Plutus Academy is the organization which gives the right platform to the students who want to succeed in government examinations. They ensure that each aspirant gets an environment where they could trigger their mind and build a right path toward the success. The coaching aims to develop a competitive attitude along with a sound academic base with quality teaching. For more than 20 years, they have been guiding the candidates for this competitive examination. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone Coaching is one of the best institutions for IAS preparation, as this institute provides a completely free of cost counseling session for the students. Yes, you heard it right, a completely free of cost counseling session which is very useful for every student preparing for IAS examination. The student can register for this counseling session via the website of this institution, which I'll be telling shortly, so stay tuned. Before that, let's talk about the contact details, like including email ID and the mobile number. The email ID includes info@thehinduzone.com and their phone number includes 8800222298. The website of this institution is www.thehinduzone.com. If any student wishes to register for this free counseling session, they can visit their website and they can register for this counseling session. Now let us talk about this institution a while. Alright. Excellent career guidance and multiple benefits provided with The Hindu Zone, hence you should join them and get access to their free courses and flagship features like small batch classes, interactive classes, etc. At The Hindu Zone, the fee ranges as per the need of the student. Multiple benefits are provided to students like an extra support mentor, free e-library access, notes of multiple flagship coaching institutes, a guide who will keep a check on your preparation and will provide you with a quick tips and tricks. So what we are waiting for? Go ahead and join this institution, contact them. Alright, moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Manoj IAS Academy in Lakshmi Nagar, East Delhi. Manoj IAS Academy is an activity of which has taken in coaching and tuitions. It confers education of international standard through comprehensive methodology, delivering swelled quality yield to oblige the current expert interest. Perfect tutorial expands total training arrangement, separating it as the bleeding edge education company. Now let us talk about the contact details and their course details. IAS course details are as follows. Number 1, classroom course, and number 2, correspondence course. Now they have also gone online, so you can connect the institution via online things as well. The address being 203 Sharma Complex, 2nd floor, Guru Nanak Pura, Lakshmi Nagar, New Delhi, Delhi 110092. Contact number is 09711008320. Website includes www.manojIASacademybusiness.site. Down to our rank 4 institution, we have Dhyeya IAS Academy for Civil Services. Dhyeya IAS is found at Old Rajinder Nagar, Pusa Road. It's an especially very much explored program planned by their specialists for making sure about work in the administration workplace. Their online practice tests are bolstered by a comparative innovation that is used in the specific enlistments tested by government offices. Alright, IAS course details includes classroom course, correspondence course, and finally they provide you integrated program course. The address being Metro Pillar number 23, 153, 2nd floor near Gurdwara, opposite Lalita Park, Lakshmi Nagar, Delhi 110092. The contact number being 01143012556 and the website includes www.dheyaies.com. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Apex Coachings. This institute has proved its expertise in all kinds of entrance examinations in India and especially IAS. This institute is calculated among the most successful institutes in India, which gives coaching for different entrance examinations. Apex Career Coaching is an educational initiative by an ex-IITian with an enthusiasm to control youthful personalities to accomplish their maximum capacity. Alright, the address being First floor metro station B41 Guru Nanak Pura near Nirman Vihar Veer Savarkar Block A, Lakshmi Nagar, New Delhi 11009. The contact number being 0783497337. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best IAS preparations in your area, East Delhi. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.